Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. With so many shopping apps out there, it can be tough to know which one is best for you. In today's video, we're diving into how Temu compares to other popular shopping apps so you can decide where to spend your time and money. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about pricing. Temu is known for its competitive prices, offering deals that often undercut other platforms. Compare the prices of similar items on apps like Amazon, Shein, or Wish, right? And you will likely notice that Temu prices are often lower, right? But keep in mind that quality might vary. Always read the reviews before purchasing an item on Temu. You can say right here, this is the item, right? Scroll a little bit down, you're gonna see right here the reviews. Next, the product variety. The Temu offers a wide range of items, from clothing and home goods to gadgets and accessories. You can go back right here and see the electronics, health, women, men, and jewelry, sports, and many other products, right? And apps like Amazon have a broader section overall, while apps like Shein focus more on fashion. Depending on what you're shopping for, one app may be better suited to your needs, right? In the shipping times, shipping speed is another big factor. Temu's shipping is typically free, but it can take longer compared to Amazon Prime or Shein Express. If you need something quickly, Temu might not be the best choice, but for non-urgent buys, the savings might be worth the wait. Next, the user experience. Let's talk about user experience. Temu app is very easy to navigate with a lots of personalized recommendations. However, apps like Amazon, eBay often have more robust search and filter options. If you're looking for streamlined experience with the fewer bells and whistles, Temu is a great, but for advanced search tool, other apps might win. And lastly, the customer support, which is very important, right? Temu's support is generally responsive, but apps like Amazon often praise for their latest hassle-free return policies. If customer service is a top priority for you, this might be something to consider, right? Another thing, which is deals and rewards. Now, for the fun part, deals and rewards. Temu frequently runs flash sales, often offers coupons and has a referral program, while other apps like Rakuten or Honey might offer cashback on purchases from multiple retailers. Temu focuses on its own platform. It's worth comparing which app offers you the best perks for your shopping habits. And there you have it. Temu has a lot to offer, especially if you're looking for budget-friendly options and do not mind waiting a bit for your order. But depending on what you're shopping for, other apps might better fit your needs. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What's your favorite shopping app and why? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more shopping tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.